Okay, so a nuclear reactor, it is a device which converts nuclear energy into electrical energy. Okay, so it is based on the reaction that when uranium is bombarded with a neutron, it disintegrates into barium, krypton, releases three neutron and produces energy, and that energy is equal to 200 mega electron volt. Okay, so if there is one nuclei of uranium which is undergoing radioactive decay, then 200 mega electron volt of energy is released. Okay. Then this nuclear reactor works on principle of nuclear fission. Obviously, it is a nuclear fission reaction with controlled chain reaction. Controlled chain reaction where neutron multiplication factor is 1 means, as you can see from this reaction, 3 neutrons are produced. So somehow we are going to absorb 2 neutrons and we are letting only 1 neutron to bombard another uranium nuclei. Okay, so that this reaction is controlled. Next is construction of a nuclear reactor. So these are the essential components of nuclear reactors which are shown in figure. So this whole is the containment structure inside which nuclear reactor is kept. Then there is a steam generator. There are control rods also, which I will explain what are they later. So a coolant is okay. In this one, in the reactor, nuclear reaction takes place, which releases lot of amount of energy. Then some coolant is introduced, which flows like this, Okay, in this steam generator, water is kept. Now it absorbs the water from this coolant and water gets evaporated into steam. This steam then drives the turbine here. Okay, because of which electricity will be produced. Now this steam is still at higher temperature, so it is in steam, so we need to condense it to water again. So for that, there is another cycle. Okay, so here steam, it loses its energy to water, and then this water goes to the cooling tower and then it gets cooled. So nuclear reactors in real life, or you have seen any diagram, any pic, you will identify it with cooling tower because these are very huge. Okay, so the first is nuclear fuel. So heavy nuclei which undergoes fission inside nuclear reactor is uranium 235. Okay, there are certain other components. Let's say there is a moderator. Now there are very fast moving neutrons, and these neutrons are slowed by using a material which is known as moderator. Okay, which is heavy water and graphite. Okay, they also absorb the heat released in the reaction. These moderator also absorbs the heat released in the reaction. Okay. Next are control rods. So these absorbs any excess neutron liberated in the nuclear reactor. These are made of boron and cadmium. Next is coolant. This carries heat produced and transfer it from the core of the nuclear reactor to the surroundings. That is known as coolant. Okay, if you remember that diagram, that was the nuclear reactor. Okay, and from that one, there was a tube which was going on like this, and it was coming back to the nuclear reactor through the pump. There was a pump here. Okay, so coolant is filled in this one, so it moves like this, and then it really, here it was a steam generator. So in steam generator, water absorbs heat from the coolant which is inside this tube, and then water gets converted into steam. So that is the work of coolant. And coolants are water or sodium, liquid sodium. Okay. Next is shielding. Now the whole reactor is very radioactive, no? So it will radiate in radiations, and which can also produce harmful effects on the surrounding. So to avoid that harmful effect, we are going to protect the whole reactor with concrete walls, and the diameter and the thickness of those concrete walls are from 2 meter to 2.5 meter thick. Okay, thank you.